Hey everyone! Following the 잇츠심플 bibimbap noodles, today we're reviewing Janchi Guksu. Just like the name suggests, this one is ready in under 5 minutes. Inside the package, you get a serving of noodles and a soup base pack. Simply add both to boiling water, cook for 2 minutes, and you're done. Traditional Janchi Guksu requires boiling the broth separately and rinsing the noodles in cold water to remove starch. But these noodles hold their texture well, and the broth turns out clean, rich, and full of depth. It delivers an authentic Janchi Guksu experience, far better than instant cup versions. And the best part? No need to spend extra time cooking. Quick, easy, and delicious. All right, enjoy your simple K meal, and I'll see you in the next recipe.